everyone, and welcome to Sony Simplified, the show where we here at Sony give you fun little tips and tricks on some of our favorite Sony products and our favorite features in our Sony products. My name's Elizabeth, and I am an avid photographer. If you're here live with me today, make sure you pop all of your questions into the chat. If you're not here live, make sure you leave those questions into the comments because we do go back in and check them, okay? If you're here live, let me know what is your favorite event to take photos of, okay? Today, I want to show you guys how to set up a face to track in your Sony cameras. Not just any old face, but faces of people that you actually know. So before I talk to you guys and show you guys how to set up your Sony cameras to select a face to track, first let's talk about real-time eye autofocus and selecting a face to track and how they are different. So with real-time eye autofocus, this will focus on the subject that is nearest to the camera, or the subject that you have physically selected on the camera. Now, with selecting a face to track, here you are actually programming your camera with stored faces, and then your camera prioritizes those faces to focus on them versus just anyone. Okay, so I want to show you guys how to set up your Sony cameras to select faces to track. Now, remember, depending on which Sony camera you have, where these menu items are at could be very different. So I went ahead and I put the 4 items that we need to make sure, confirm that are all set in the correct way. I put those 4 menu items in a separate My Menu tab, okay? Just to make things super easy and confirm. Now let's go ahead and do a menu dive of how to exactly set up and register a new face to use face memory. So the first item in your menu that you'll need to find is face memory. You'll typically find face memory in your autofocus and in your manual focus menu. Once you find face memory, go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions on how to register a new face. It is important to note that your camera must be in photo mode to register a new face and not in video mode. It's also important for me to point out as well that whoever is registered in spot number 1 is the priority. Because of this, you are able to rearrange the face memory as well, so you can rearrange whoever you would like to be in spot 1. Now that you've had your faces photographed and they are now stored in your face memory, the next menu item to search for is Register Face Priority. Now, typically Register Face Priority should be right underneath face memory. Make sure Register Face Priority is turned on. This is telling the camera that you are giving priority to the faces that you just photographed and registered for your camera. The next menu item to look for is your focus mode. Make sure your focus mode is set to continuous AF. This is continuous AF because your subject should be continuously moving and it's AF autofocus. Perfect. The last item to confirm, to check for you, is going to be your focus area. Make sure your focus area is set to wide. This will scan the entire scene for your subjects. And that about wraps up my menu dive and exactly how to set up and use face memory to track the faces that you want to give priority to. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Much appreciated. I hope you guys all learned a little bit more something about your Sony cameras. Thanks again. Have a great one. Bye.